Welcome back now. ISSA has now submitted its plan to the government seeking approval to have fully vaccinated fans at the National Stadium for this year's staging of the Boys and Girls Championships. ISSA President Keith Wellington made the disclosure during an interview with TVJ Sports on Monday.
Yes, it will be fully vaccinated fans. So we have proposed a mechanism to determine, verify persons who want to attend champs, and we will have an electronic system in place where persons apply for tickets and verify their status where vaccination is concerned. We have proposed a number of options in terms of numbers to the government. So we don't want to say what and any of those numbers are. But obviously we understand that we will not be able to have a full house as we have become accustomed to our champs over the years. But there are, I think, 4 options that we have put on the table.
Last weekend, ISSA received approval for stakeholders in the teams making the 4 football finals to support their teams.
To designate 25 persons from their parents group, their board, the staff, all boys or past students group who would have to be fully vaccinated and accredited by ISSA. So I think that being the finals, obviously everybody had a high interest in it. So all 25 persons for each of the school present would have turned out. And obviously because it's a final, the execution team around the event would have been significantly larger.